Father's Day is coming up, and it's always hard to pick out a gift for Dad. If you're looking for a unique Father's Day gift idea, I have a Dollar Tree barbecue tools DIY for you today. It's low cost and it's homemade from the heart. It would make a great gift, but you could also just use this as a special touch of decoration for your patio. With Memorial Day and 4th of July coming up, this would look really nice in a red, white, and blue design. Keep watching to find out how easy it is to make one of these for yourself or for the dad in your life, so you and your patio will be all ready for the grilling season. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, my name's Maria, and I'm a full-time graphic designer, but I like to hop onto YouTube every week, and I bring you inspiration with style, home, DIYs, and recipes. If you like those types of things, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you'll know when I post new videos. This video is part of the DIY Mommy's Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge. There will be a playlist that I will link below with a bunch of other outdoor DIYs and decor ideas, so be sure to check that out. Is it just me, or is it always hard picking out gifts for Father's Day? Let me know in the comments section below if you have trouble too. It's always nice to make something homemade as a gift, and this one is so quick and easy to put together, but it will make a big impact next to the grill on the patio. A lot of the items come from Dollar Tree, so this is also a low-cost project that looks really special. I picked black and white for the colors on mine, but you could go with whatever colors match your outdoor decor, and you could even customize this with the grill master's name or some other saying at the top. Let's start with what you will need to make this project. Here are the items I found at Dollar Tree. I tried to get as much as I could from Dollar Tree, but there were a few items that they didn't have, and I went to Michael's for. I found these letter stickers at Dollar Tree. They had some other font styles, but this one, it spoke to me. And it said, "Cool Dad Summer Vibes." These 3 grilling accessories are pretty good quality for $1 each, and they had a few other types of accessories, so you could mix and match as you please. I went next door to Michael's and found this wooden sign, and after my 40% off coupon, it was only around $5. The white acrylic paint was on sale for $2, and Dollar Tree does have white acrylic paint, but they were out that day from my store. And then the command line had these black little clothespins, and they were around $5. But you could make this even cheaper if you used just regular clothespins and painted them whatever color you want. Another option here would be to use some sort of hook instead of a clothespin. You may not need the command strips that I bought, but I wasn't sure on the location that I would be hanging this. You will also need a foam paintbrush, some scissors, and Gorilla Glue. Here is another look at the items that you will need. And I will try to link as many of these items in the description box below, and I'll try to find all of them so it'll be easy for you to shop if you're going to make one of these yourself. Now I'm going to take you step by step, and luckily there aren't many steps, so this is really quick and easy to put together. Step 1. The first thing I did was to rearrange the way this sign will hang. The wooden plaque came with a rope on the wrong side, so I cut it and used some Gorilla Glue to secure it so that the sign will hang vertically instead of horizontally. Step 2. Next, I used the white acrylic paint with a damp sponge brush. You can go with whatever color you want here. I picked up that white paint because I wanted the black letters to really stand out. I think this would look really cool with a red, white, and blue if you did each piece of wood a different color, or if you did just a stain, that would look really good too, like a wood stain. I wasn't going for a full whitewash or rustic look, but I did want the wood grain to still show through while brightening up the wood. So it took about 2 coats of that white paint to do that. Make sure to get the edges so it doesn't look unfinished. Step 3. Next, I put the letter stickers on. This is where you can get creative and put a name or a nickname or another phrase like the Grill Master or Summer Vibes or Best Dad Ever or something like that. I went pretty simple here with mine. Since this will be outdoors, even though it will be covered on the patio, I used a little extra glue to make sure those letters stayed really glued on. I used a toothpick with the glue on the end to really stick down those corners because I know with the humidity, especially in Texas, these little letters would probably just peel off if I didn't really glue them down. Step 4. With the black clothespins, I added a little extra dollop of Gorilla Glue to make sure they stuck on there really well. Then I put some wax paper over the stickers and placed some books on top to help everything really stick down flat. Step 5. Next, you just need a nail to hang this, or you could use those little command strips if you don't have a surface to nail into. It could even go right on the grill itself. If you end up making one of these, please be sure to tag me on Instagram so I can see your creation. I'm trying to build a positive community here on Artsy Cupcake, so I would love to get to know you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.